Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shahzad and today we are going to start another video which is only installation video for VMware Workstation. And before proceeding for the installation, if you are new on my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further videos notifications. So let's start today. The VMware, as you know, in our previous video, we have installed VirtualBox, which is open source and free from Oracle. You can download and install in your PC, but it's a bit not very user friendly. You can say it's easy steps, but the not as much we can compare with the VMware Workstation. It's my opinion that because I have worked on both these two things. So let's go and start our VMware Workstation. If you just come into the Google and type download VMware Workstation, it will bring you to the official page. So you can click on that and it will bring you to the download page. So in the download page, you have two versions. Here is our Windows version and here is the Linux version. You can download and it will give you a trial version. So later you can praise. This is not a free version like VirtualBox. So let's go in the download folder. I have already downloaded this one. So, and we will start using it. So here is the download file which I have downloaded. I will right click or double click because I always use run as admin. So it's better for the installation. You will have a full right. Okay, yes, and then it will start the downloading, start the installation. So it will take a little time and run. Just you need to do some steps. Okay, here it is. So this is the wizard and we will go next. Of course, we will accept the user license agreement. Next. Okay, we will accept the license and next. Here you will choose enhance keyboard driver. A reboot will be required for this. As of now, you can wanna do it, you can do it, but I will do next. Join the VMware customer experience program. You want to check the updates because I have downloaded just now. I will not go for updates. So you have to click next. Desktop shortcut on desktop and program menu. Okay, next and install. Very simple, just some clicks. So it will start the installation of VMware Workstation Professional. It's good when you don't have huge servers and home lab. You can use this one on your laptop if your laptop have enough resources. It's depend on your hardware host resources, how many RAM, how much RAM you have, how much CPU you have. So you can divide accordingly to your virtual machines. So it's like if somebody have a 16 GB RAM on a laptop and it's gonna install a vCenter, which requires 10 or 12 GB RAM. So after that, you will not be able to run more virtual machines. So calculate your hardware resources and then you can use accordingly. So it's installing. Network drivers. Okay, so it's finished and they click finish. And if we see we have a VMware on our desktop here, I will double click on that. Here we go. So if you have a license, you can use it. I want to try for 15 to 30 days. So it will give you a free trial version for 15 to 30 days. So we'll click continue, yes, finish. And it will open a nice interface for you. So here you can make new virtual machines. Here your shared virtual machines and this one. So you can just go home. Here you can create a virtual machine. If we click here, it will say typical, next, and ISO, which ISO would you like to use, installer disk, which installer disk you want to use for that. Like I will go into operating system and 2008 server, next. And if you have a key for the server you can do, otherwise let leave it as it is, for it will be a trial 180 days, next. And here is the, if you want to give a name, so we can say that, and then you can choose a location. If you don't have a space on your C drive, you can choose it for D drive and you can put your virtual machines there, next. And how much space you want to give, I will give 10 GB, which is not equal to that server, but I'm just making a dummy to show you guys, next. And this is the power on the virtual machine after creation, and if you want to customize the hardware you can do it. Here is the memory and process, and the network is NAT now, but you can choose a virtual switches. These are all your as a virtual switches, so you can use, or you can also bridge with your physical adapter, physical, which is going to your network of the your internal network or whatever. It will choose your LAN card, which is your hardware LAN card of the laptop or desktop. So if you want to use a custom, you can use custom VMNet 0. It's a virtual switch, as I will call switch it, because all your other virtual machines, if you connect to VMNet 0, so they can talk each other. So you can do a labs on that. So close. So after starting, finish, I will not start this on. I have told you that this is the machine, how we can create. So this machine is created, and if you want to run, I will power on and it will start the installation. So this is a really good handy tool for the, see, the installation is started. So one machine is there. So if you right click, it will give you other options like snapshots. You can take a snapshot. Snapshot is good, which is not available in our VirtualBox mostly. So here in this snapshot, when you take a snapshot, just install the one fresh server, take a snapshot before doing any lab. And if you mess up the machine, so you can revert back to previous snapshot. So that's why snapshot is good. For the, if you want to clone, the same machine will be another machine. If you want to clone up a disk, a shares, like that, too many options. So this is a nice tool. If you go in a VMs, view, edit, and virtual network adapter settings are here. See, all your network adapter settings, 0, VMKNet, no NAT is enabled. NAT mean it will, internal will be a different, and here is NAT setting if you want to do on this one. So it will, internal range will be different, and when it's passed through that switch out, so it will change the IP addresses according to the public side. So NAT is different. So these are the settings for, if you want, if you give a local DHCP, change your range, and all your machines will take IP address from here. So this is the VMware Workstation. So you can use it for your practice and lab. So that's it. It's not a big deal. Just some click, and if you have a iOS images, and you can use it. You can have a 180 days different servers available on the Microsoft website you can download. So this was our video for today. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifying the next videos. Thank you very much. Take care, stay home and stay safe.